Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Trend TV. This is Viprajesh from CAI Industries Private Limited Mahindra showroom in Coimbatore. I am here for the grand launch of the brand new flagship Mahindra XUV 700, which had received 25,000 bookings in just 57 minutes on the first date of the commencement of the bookings, the 7th of October.
Crazy, my baby, dancing with the lights. Together we could chase the sun.
Now let's quickly go through the exterior and interior details of the XUV 700's top spec AX7 variant. This here is the white color luxury automatic variant, which comes loaded with absolutely all the features available. The car looks properly butch and muscular in every color, while the white is expected to be the best seller. 18-inch alloy wheels are a part of this AX7 top spec variant's equipment, whereas all-wheel disc brakes are available as standard. These smart door handles are also available as standard across all variants. Opening the door, you get to see that this being the top spec variant gets full leather upholstery with leather finish on the door pads as well, along with 6-way power adjustable driver seat and the very futuristic looking Mercedes-Benz inspired dual screen cockpit design. This being the full spec luxury variant, it also gets advanced driver assistance system including adaptive cruise control, autonomous braking, along with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity and Amazon Alexa connectivity.
Let me take you for a ride.
This flagship SUV also gets dual zone automatic climate control, and this here is the 360-degree surround view camera display available only on the luxury variant. The center console storage also has the option of wireless charging facility along with the electronic parking brake with auto hold function, which are a part of the luxury pack. These beautiful leather seats are extremely comfortable while also being suitable for all kinds of passengers. The rear seat passengers are treated with abundant amount of legroom, along with the center armrest and the option of reclining the rear seats for additional comfort. All variants also get the rear AC vents as standard, and even the rear seat passengers will have a great view of the dashboard and the dual screen displays. The AX5 and AX7 variants of the XUV 700 also offer this massive panoramic sky roof.
Let's go crazy, my baby, dancing with.
Other standard safety features from the AX5 variant also include ESP traction control, hill hold, rollover mitigation and brake assist. While the arrowhead-shaped LED tail lamps are standard across all variants, the sequential LED turn indicators are available only from the AX5 variant onwards. The XUV 700 also offers roof rails as standard across all variants.
Let me take you for a ride.
Then at the front, obviously there is the new signature Mahindra grille along with the new Twin Peaks Mahindra logo.
Let me take you for a ride. Alright.
Accessing the third row is possible only from the left side, and it is extremely easy thanks to the one-touch fold function of the left side second row seat. The third row is more spacious than the one seen on the XUV 500, and the third row passengers themselves have their own AC vents, charging points and bottle holders. Being the flagship variant, the XUV700 AX7 also gets automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, smart key access with push-button start, tilt and telescopic adjustable steering wheel, apart from the whole lot of surprising features.
Let me take you for a ride.
This top-spec model also comes with a beautifully leather-padded dashboard with great ergonomics and accessibility for the driver. This Adrenox dual-screen display is available from the AX3 variant. However, it is this top-spec luxury variant which gets the premium 12-speaker Sony surround sound system, which also has 3D sound modes such as the Stage, Party, Breezy and the Immersive 3D. This Adrenox system also offers intelligent voice commands for almost all controls inside the car. The prices for all variants of the brand new Mahindra XUV700 have also been increased by Rs 50,000, and now the Mahindra XUV700 petrol range starts from Rs 12.49 lakh ex-showroom, going all the way up to Rs 21.29 lakh ex-showroom for the AX7 luxury automatic variant. The diesel range of the XUV700 starts from Rs 12.99 lakh ex-showroom, going all the way up to Rs 22.89 lakh ex-showroom for the AX7 luxury automatic all-wheel drive variant. Test drives for the new Mahindra XUV700 are going on at full swing for both the petrol and diesel versions of the flagship SUV at the CAI Mahindra showroom in Coimbatore. Stay tuned for our extensive detailed reviews of the brand new XUV700 flagship SUV. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.